Animal Quiz Book. What animal lays eggs and has a bill and webbed feet like a duck, but has a flat tail and fur like a beaver? The platypus. It uses its tail and webbed feet for swimming, and it uses its bill to dig up worms from stream bottoms. Its fur keeps the platypus warm. What kind of cat has no tail? The Manx cat has no tail. It also runs with a rabbit-like hop. Half cat, half bunny. What animals sleep all day hanging upside down? Bats. They hunt for food all night and sleep all day hanging by their feet. What animal can swallow something wider than itself? The snake. Most snakes can open their mouth wide enough to swallow things that are wider than their body. Scary. What animal can carry something 50 times heavier than its own body? The ant. Some ants carry huge loads of food many times heavier than their own weight. The ant is very strong. What animal can change color? The chameleon. A kind of lizard, the chameleon changes color when the light or temperature around it changes. 1 minute it may be green or yellow, the next minute black or brown. It can also become spotted. What bird can fly backward? The hummingbird. It can also hover in midair. How does a beaver signal danger? A beaver warns other beavers of danger by slapping its tail on the water. What is the largest animal in the world? The blue whale. It is bigger than the biggest elephant and bigger than the biggest dinosaur that ever lived. Wow. Blue whale is humongous.